Hey guys, how are you? Today I'm going to a event. I was invited to sing to a birthday party. Pero hindi siya basta-basta birthday party. Ang my birthday, isa siyang sikat na sushi chef dito sa Norway. And he also got a Michelin Guide star. Kung alam nyo yon, you can search it but I can put it here later. Michelin star, para siyang ano ba, binibigay sa mga one of the best na restaurant ganon. So he's a Filipino. He's really one of the most popular Filipinos here in Norway. Kasi nga sa achievement na nakamit niya, and I was so flattered when he asked me to sing to his birthday. So today is his birthday and I'm going to the party now. So I'm very excited. I'm going to sing 5 to 6 songs. I'm really excited. I waited long. Tama ba yung English ko? I waited so long for this event kasi you know what, I feel so blessed and proud, really proud sa kababayan natin, no? Kuya Roger is making a boom here in Norway. He already has a lot of sushi restaurants here. Tapos alam niyo naman, sikat ang sushi kasi dito kasi lalo na dito sa bansang ito, mas madami silang fish, para siyang salmon capital of the Europe siguro. So dito sa Norway, Norwegian salmon, one of the best. Pero ang alam ko, gumagamit din si Kuya ng iba't ibang klase ng isda. May tuna din, may at saka napanood ko sa isang documentary, no, kasi pinalabas siya dito sa TV. Oh, Pinoy si Kuya, Filipino si Kuya, nagtatagalog din siya, at the same time he speaks the language here. Tapos gumagamit din siya ng reindeer na karne ng reindeer. So it's really special. I don't think a lot of sushi restaurants offer it. I think hindi siya basta-basta in-offer, pero ginawa niya siyang parang vriba, tawag nito, taste ng Norwegian, kasi madaming reindeer dito, kinakain ng reindeer dito. I'm gonna take a video of it, I will film it, and I will include it to my vlog. So it's gonna be an awesome vlog this time. So I'm really happy and excited. Just follow this vlog and I hope you still enjoy it. Wala kasing magawa kaya kailangan i-vlog, kaya i-vlog ko na lang ito, no? Okay guys, see you in a bit. Bye car. Pinark ko lang kasi yung sasakyan ko dito, tapos iniwanan ko na siya. Magbabas lang ako papunta sa place. Medyo malayo siya, pero it's gonna be worth it kasi yun nga, yung sa pagkain, tapos kakantahan mo isa sa mga, alam mo yun, yung malaking tao dito. So it's gonna be one of my best experiences maybe. Umuulan dito guys. Ang ayoko dito pag gumuulan kasi sobrang lamig, tapos madulas ang kalsada. Nakakatakot maglakad-lakad, lalo na pagka nag-negative sa madaling araw, tapos uulan. Sobrang dulas ng kalsada, no. Ilang beses na rin ako nadulas, kaya kapagod.
So guys, nag-start na, no, pero hindi pa ako kumakanta. Bali, kakain daw muna kami eh. Look at that guys, may Japanese to, no. Actually, there's a Japanese sushi chef here. Siya yung mismong gumagawa. A really amazing experience. Wow.
Yeah. We take it up front. Okay, I'll find a tone that everyone can sing along with. As you can hear, my voice is a little bit hurt, but that's life. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Roger. Happy birthday to you. Hip, hip, hip. Thank you so much for this fantastic meal.
Takk skal du ha, alle sammen. Takk skal du ha.
Well, you done me and you're by a 30. I tried to be you, but it's so hot that I'm melting. I fade like through the cracks, and I'm trying to get back before the cool road. And now I'll be giving it my best. This nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon you need to give my turn to win some. I learned some, but I won't be so tight no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open out your plans and tell me you're free. Look into your heart and you find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the main more people there is and sing. We just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 love. Sing with me, 'cause I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. There's no need to complicate our time. It's sure this is our fate. I've been spending way too long checking my time in the mirror. I'm bending over backward just to try to see it clearer, but my breath forgot the glass, and so I do on the face in a laugh. I guess you'll not be saying this, there ain't no better reason to read yourself for vanity and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and tell me you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find this sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Die.
sim. This is where the bottle is weak. Don't have to do it hard, just a little bit with the tip of the back of the knife.
Yeah?
With the back of the knife. This part.
Okay.
So just you should hit here. Also, hold the knife.
Okay.
Because it's not gonna.
Like this, alright?
Yeah. Just don't do too hard. You know, not too hard. Just easy.
Like this?
Okay. Yeah. Go.
It's broken?
Yeah. It's gonna get broken. Just do it.
Yay! Oh! Yes, papapicture ako sa chef.
So let me just give you a brief.
We look alike. We have the same eyes. Huh? Show her every day.
If tomorrow never comes, for my darling, I love you, and I always will. Tunay na pagsinta, mananabik itong aking puso. Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay kong minamahal. At tangi kong hiling ay makapiling ka lagi. It's really a nice song, a love song.
Love song.
Konnichiwa. Hi.
Ay!
Konbanwa.
Konbanwa.
Konbanwa!
Arigatou gozaimasu. Hi.
Ay! Mahal kita!
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita!
Salamat.
Salamat! Salamat!
Yeah, you know it. Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman. Kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay kong minamahal. Makapiling ka muli. That's it. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. All I ask is if this is my last night with you. Hold me like I'm more just a friend. Give me your memory. I can use. Take me by the hand while we do what lovers do. It matters how this ends. 'Cause what if I ever love